Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with power control and isolation. Begin by charging the Arctis 7x above 50% or plug it into USB so battery won't interrupt the reset. Turn the headset off using the power button and count 10 full seconds to clear volatile state. This helps the firmware exit active mode. Next, remove the wireless dongle from your PC or console so the headset can't reconnect while you perform the reset. Once done, you're ready for the next deeper steps. Now you'll force a factory reset using the button combo. With the headset off, press and hold the power button and the chat mix dial simultaneously for about 15 seconds. Keep holding until the LED pattern changes or blinks rapidly, which signals a reset command was received. Release both controls and then power the headset back on. You should hear default startup tones indicating settings return to factory. Make sure to reinsert the dongle only after the headset finishes its reboot sequence. Finish by re-establishing the wireless link and confirming functionality. Plug the dongle into the same USB port you used before and press the dongle's pairing button, then power the headset and let them find each other. You should test audio playback, microphone input, and chat mix balance to verify defaults. If things look wrong, update firmware via SteelSeries Engine or GG, and if pairing fails, try another USB port or perform a short power cycle and repeat pairing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.